You probably use WhatsApp every day, but recently, it added a bunch of new features and settings that most people still haven't noticed. So today, I'll show you the best and most underrated WhatsApp features you should try right now. Starting with something that came recently. If you post WhatsApp status updates often, there's a new feature called Status Archive. Normally, your status disappears after 24 hours, and most people think it's gone forever. But WhatsApp can keep those expired statuses stored, so you can go back and repost them later if needed. To enable it, go to Settings, Storage and Data, and at the bottom you will see Status Archive. Once enabled, your expired statuses will be archived instead of disappearing completely. WhatsApp is not free anymore. Yes, you heard it right. Meta has started testing a subscription called WhatsApp Plus in some regions. It includes things like app themes, multiple app icons, exclusive stickers, custom ringtones, and a few extra customization options. You can check if it's available by opening WhatsApp settings. Right now, it feels more focused on customization than major premium features. But what do you think? Are you subscribing to WhatsApp Plus, or is the free version enough? Let me know in the comments. Next is one of the strongest privacy upgrades WhatsApp added recently. It's called Advanced Chat Privacy. Open a conversation, tap the profile name at the top, scroll down, and enable Advanced Chat Privacy. What this does is add extra limits to that specific conversation. It can reduce how messages and media move outside of WhatsApp and gives extra protection for private chats. This is especially useful for conversations where you want more control over what happens to shared content after sending it. Now here's one many people didn't realize changed. WhatsApp has improved protection around profile pictures. Depending on version of WhatsApp, taking screenshots of profile pictures may be blocked or restricted. You don't need to enable anything for this one because it works automatically where supported. But it's worth knowing because many people still assume profile pictures can always be saved normally. And while we're talking about privacy, this next setting is hidden deep inside WhatsApp. Whenever someone sends a link, WhatsApp usually generates those preview cards automatically. And that moment, third-party websites can infer your IP address if they want. So if you prefer disabling preview requests, you can disable that. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Privacy, scroll down, go to Advanced, then here, turn on Disable Link Previews. After enabling it, links appear more like plain URLs instead of generating preview cards automatically. Now this next one is also a new feature, and it keeps updating. Everyone knows about View Once photos, but did you know you can also send View Once voice messages? Open a chat and tap the microphone icon to record a voice note. Then before sending, tap the small circled one icon above the send button. Now the receiver can only listen one time before it disappears. And, as per the updates, WhatsApp team is working on View Once messages. I will let you know once it's released, so subscribe and follow us. If random calls are annoying you, this next feature is one you should enable immediately. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Privacy, Calls, and enable Silence Unknown Callers. Once enabled, calls from numbers outside your contact list get silenced automatically while still appearing in your call history. This is especially useful for reducing spam and random international calls without completely blocking people. As of underrated features, here's a simple feature that I use more than expected. Message yourself. Open New Chat, and on the top of Contacts, there is your name mentioned as you. Most people ignore this feature, but it's surprisingly useful. You can save phone numbers before adding contacts, keep links for later, transfer files between devices, write reminders, save screenshots, or even use it as a quick private notebook. Once you start using it, it becomes one of those features you end up opening every day. And before we finish, here are 3 more underrated, maybe forgotten WhatsApp features. First, protect IP address in calls. Go to Settings, Privacy, Advanced, and enable Protect IP address in calls if available. This adds an extra privacy layer during WhatsApp calling. Second, Chat Lock. Open any conversation, tap the profile name, and enable Chat Lock to secure individual chats behind your fingerprint, rather than locking whole app. And last one is text formatting. Inside messages, you can make text bold, italic, strike through, and more without installing anything extra. You can type special characters to enable those, or just tap and hold on words to use it. Those are some of the new and underrated WhatsApp features you should try right now. If you discovered something new today, subscribe because I've got more videos coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.